Hey guys, welcome back to Craft Habit. Today we're talking about paper bead rollers. You can see I've got a couple of beads that are already made, and I've got my bead rollers in different sizes and some of my supplies. So today I'm going to show you with the largest bead roller. I've got my pre-cut strip of paper. You're going to insert the larger end of your paper into the slot, and then you're going to start turning it toward you and rolling the paper along the end of the roller as you go. And then when you get toward the end, you can kind of adjust it, okay, to the little point. You can see I have a longer bead, okay? And then you just gently slide it off. And then you're going to coat it with the Diamond Glaze, and that's what glues it together and gives it a nice sheen. It's really that easy. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the paper bead roller.